In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Slack notifications from Airtable. If you're manually updating your team every time something changes in Airtable, this setup can save you a lot of time. Instead of sending messages one by one, you can create a native automation inside Airtable that automatically posts updates to Slack whenever a record meets certain conditions. It's reliable, fast, and it doesn't require any third-party tools. Before you begin, it's a good idea to make sure your Airtable table has a clean status field, such as a single select column with values like ready to send or approved. This helps prevent incomplete records from triggering notifications too early. Start by logging into Airtable and opening the specific base you want to connect to Slack. Once you're inside that base, go to the top navigation area and click on the Automations tab. In the left side panel, click Create an Automation to open a blank workflow. After that, click into the title area and rename the automation so it's easy to recognize later. Next, you'll define the trigger that tells Airtable when to send a Slack message. In the Trigger configuration panel, open the Choose a Trigger dropdown and select when a record matches conditions. In some setups, you may also use when a record enters a view if that fits your workflow better. Then choose the correct table. Under the Conditions section, add your filter logic, such as setting it so the status field is exactly ready to send. Once that's in place, click Test Trigger so Airtable can pull in a sample record. If the sample looks correct, click Done. Now it's time to connect Slack. In the Actions area, click Add Advanced Logic or Action. From the list of integrations, select Slack and then choose Send Message. In the Setup panel, use the Slack account drop-down and choose Connect New Account if needed. A permissions window will appear and you'll follow the standard authorization prompts to grant Airtable access to your Slack workspace. After Slack is connected, choose the channel where you want these messages to appear. Then click into the message field and type the main notification text you want your team to see. To make the message dynamic, use the Insert field option to pull in values from your Airtable record, like a task name or assigned owner. This makes each message specific and useful. When your message is ready, click Test Action to send a real sample notification to Slack. Review it carefully to make sure the formatting and data look right. If everything looks good, go to the top of the automation builder and switch the automation from off to on. Once it's enabled, Airtable will automatically send Slack updates whenever a record matches your conditions. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one.